When teamwork reaches new heights, mission treat accomplished.
Chief? Hey. Did you eat the wontons that were on the table? Hey, I'm talking to you. Look at me.
Huh?
What did you do?
Dogs play dumb, but the missing cookie investigation is in full swing. Sherlock Holmes on the case. When you realize your friend's shower is long overdue. Bro, got some cologne? One eager student, one stubborn rebel. The saga of the Canine Waterpress Academy.
Hello? Hello? Hello, you're very pretty.
Since then, this puppy never plays with his toy anymore. When the noise reaches a pro level, you can't help but be nosy.
People have forgotten that beagles were bred to be incredibly savage hunters, and their amazing hunting ability is down to that incredible nose of theirs.
Running happily or running for his hot dog life. Either way, he's adorable.
Đó, ai ghẹo gì bạn? Ai ghẹo gì bạn? Tôi đâu có đụng với bạn đâu. Ai ghẹo bạn? Ai ghẹo bạn hay bạn ghẹo tôi? Bạn ghẹo tôi ghẹo bạn.
You wanna come inside? Okay.
Hello.
Did you meet somebody out there? Who is that? Excuse me, who are you?
If seeking cuddles was a professional sport, this boy must be given a gold medal. When he decides he's had enough of boundaries and takes the leap to freedom. A symphony of snores or the next canine rock star in the making. Let's vote, judges.
Give me my beauty sponge. Mika?
Well, this is exactly, if he can't have it, nobody can. Because packaging flavor is the best kind of flavor, right?
Stay. Good. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
When your dog turns into a solar-powered ninja, be like,
I've never seen this on too.
Oh my gosh.
he's sound asleep, but you know he's dreaming of a gourmet feast. Must be one delicious dream. Teen Wolf, the Canine Edition. Holiday special coming soon.
Oh no, honey.
Kicking and doing kung fu in Dreamland. I'm sure he's the next martial arts prodigy. Real footage of me and my best friend during our sleepover. Give him the key to your heart, or prepare for a grumpy invasion.
Instance is different. You have companies that are
Not gonna be okay. Maybe she's found she got cancer. And then come here! Yay!
When we order the same thing at the restaurant, but his drink always tastes nicer. And behold, the next Grammy goes to this dedicated singer. He's us, making it through our amazing weekends. Hooray!
What if he gets hurt?
Come on, you made it.
Mateo.
Toys and food are overrated. Marble Stairs, the new chew toy in town.
Você quer comer a escada, filho?
When your dog's more into watching the Tesco grocery ad than you are. You shopping, boy, doggo? The eternal struggle of snack satisfaction. Head stuck at the end, but was it worth it? Size doesn't matter. Puppy determination, level 100. In a game of ball, there's no room for mercy. It's all or nothing. When your big boy thinks the floor is full of lava. Ouch! Me every morning at work, always dozing off. Mr. Boss, I'm sorry.
Puppy.
Getting a head massage and feeling as happy as this boy. That's the dream weekend plan.
okay. Good work. Stay. Okay. Good work.
And there you have it, folks. A dose of laughter courtesy of our furry friends. Share the joy and hit the like button if these funny dogs brightened up your day. Goodbye.